As the first year of the Building Energy Disclosure Project wraps up, more than 160 buildings are tracking and disclosing their energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. The project is aimed at helping Winnipeg building owners better understand the energy performance of their buildings. Winnipeg commercial and institutional building owners can still register and participate in the project at no charge. Registered participants will receive an energy performance scorecard highlighting their building's energy usage, greenhouse gas emissions, and comparing them to similar building types. Participants will also receive information on available incentives, access to educational workshops, and recognition in the final project report and disclosure map. You can't manage what you don't measure. To see if your commercial or institutional building is eligible to participate, go to winnipeg.ca/buildingenergy.